In a sign pyramid, a cell gets a plus if the two cells directly below it have the same sign, and a minus if they have different signs. The pyramid has 4 levels, so the bottom row has 4 cells. How many ways are there to fill the 4 bottom cells? Each a plus or a minus, so that the top cell is a plus? A, 2, B, 4, C, 8, D, 12, E, 16. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the rule. 2 cells that match give a plus above them, and 2 cells that differ give a minus above them. Here is a clever trick. Let a plus be positive 1, and a minus be negative 1. Then same signs multiply to positive 1, and different signs multiply to negative 1. So each cell is just the product of the 2 cells below it. Now build the pyramid upward, multiplying step by step. The top cell ends up as the 4 bottom signs raised to the powers 1, 3, 3, 1. But any sign cubed is just itself, so the top cell equals the product of all 4 bottom signs. The top is a plus when the product of all 4 is positive 1. That happens exactly when there is an even number of minus signs. Of the 16 possible bottom rows, exactly half have an even number of minuses. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So there are 8 ways to fill the bottom row. The answer is 8.